Are you looking for some email marketing automations to build trust with your audience, improve open rates, better segment your list, or maybe remove cold subscribers? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 basic email marketing automations that you should be using. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts that I use for marketing and content creation, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for this in the video description or pinned comment below. Now, the email marketing software that I've been using since 2018 to build my lists across a variety of different projects is Kit. I actually still call it ConvertKit, as they recently rebranded about a year ago. This is the best software, in my opinion, for solopreneurs and content creators. They have some huge names utilizing Kit: Tom Brady, Matthew McConaughey, Lil Jon, and all of these big names that they have listed right here. And I'll be honest, if you're looking to get into advanced automations, Kit is very limited in that aspect. If you're looking for basic email automations that move the needle and are very important, it does provide those. But if you're looking for something more sophisticated, I would recommend using something like Go High Level or HubSpot, as they offer more advanced email automations. And while Kit does have one of the best free plans on the market for email marketing software, you must be subscribed to at least this creator plan in order to use the email automations that I'm going to show you in this video, as you get unlimited visual automations, unlimited email sequences, and so much more down here. They have a 14-day free trial as well, so you can try it. If you don't like it, just cancel the subscription. And I do have an affiliate link in the video description below if you want to try Kit. That comes at no additional expense to you and does help support this channel. So the first email marketing automation I want to share with you is very basic, but it's also very important. And this is the idea of automatically adding tags to new subscribers that come into your database. You'll see on the right-hand side, I have all sorts of tags here, whether that's someone came in from an opt-in guide, whether that's a visitor who came in from paid media, someone who completed my drip sequence, someone who clicked on specific links in my newsletters, and so on and so forth. Just a better way to segment and organize your database. Now, in order to automatically tag subscribers who come in, first of all, you need to create tags. So if you're using Kit and following along, under Grow, you would click Subscribers, you would scroll down and then click Create Tag. And I would recommend creating multiple tags for whatever you want to segment and organize by. Now, to set this up, all we need to do is click Automate, click Rules. And what I like about Kit is they make these automations very simple. Like I mentioned this earlier, this isn't meant for people who want sophisticated and advanced email automations. If you're new to this stuff, Kit does an excellent job of simplifying automations. And so to add tags, all you need to do is click New Rule. And let's say, for instance, someone signs up for my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. Well, I would want to add a tag to that person, knowing that that person came in from that guide, so I can start to compile a list of those subscribers. And so what I would do is I would click Subscribes to a form. I would find AI Marketing Essentials or whatever your opt-in guide is. And then what I want to do is automatically add a tag. So then what I would do is I would create a tag. Let's see what my tag here is: AI Marketing Essentials Guide Sign Up, or whatever your tag is named. I would click Save, and that is how you would create a tag. So some of the tags that I've created are people from PPC, so paid media subscribers. I've automatically added a tag for link clickers, so every week I'll have links to my AI Marketing Insiders community. I'll have affiliate links. I'll have other links that I want to track. And so adding tags to people who click on specific links is a great way to segment an audience. Let's see, I also have tags, link clickers. I have a lot of link clickers tags. I have tags for cold subscribers. I have tags for someone who completed a drip sequence, so that would make them a higher quality subscriber if they opened every single email in my 10-day drip sequence. So that are just some basic use cases that I use to automatically add tags to new subscribers. Now, another basic automation that you should be using are email drip sequences. And if you're unfamiliar with an email drip sequence, this is just a series of emails that automatically send out over a given time frame when someone performs a certain action. So in my case, for example, when someone signs up for my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide opt-in, I have a trigger that automatically puts them in a 10-day email drip sequence. I don't like to gatekeep or hide anything, so this is my 10-day email drip sequence. So when you sign up for that free AI Marketing Essentials Guide, you're automatically sent into this sequence. And so how did I set this up? Well, inside Kit, I'd go back to automate again. I would click rules, and then I would click add new rule. And then what I would do is I would click, let's see here, subscribes to a form. So I'd have that AI Marketing Essentials, that's the form. And then when someone subscribes to a form, I want to trigger them into a drip sequence. So then I would click subscribe to a sequence. And then here is my AI Marketing Essentials drip sequence. Then I would click save. I already have this set up, but of course you would need to create that landing page and that drip sequence before you can set up this automation. So how you would do that is you would click send, you would click sequences, and you'll see here, I only have one sequence set up right now for this project for my AI Marketing Essentials Guide. But if you wanted to create a new drip sequence, all you would do is click new sequence. Kit has some pre-built templates to help you get started, or you can create from text only. But one of the benefits of this is we can actually leverage AI to help us with the ideation component of our email drip sequence if you have no idea where to get started. So I'm going to give you a quick example here, and this is actually partly what I did to help create my email drip sequence. So if you already have an opt-in guide, I'm showing you my opt-in guide right now, which is my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. What you could do is copy and paste all of the elements, or you could save it as a PDF, pull up ChatGPT, preferably in a project or a Claude project. And then what you could do is say, based on my free opt-in guide, I need help creating a 5-day email drip sequence. Use engaging subject lines and make sure the email contents are relevant to my opt-in guide and provide value for a new subscriber in my database. I'll leave this prompt in the description below. You guys can, I'm sure, come up with something better than that. But now I'm going to attach the PDF version of my free opt-in guide. Let's see if I can find it here. AI Marketing Essentials Guide. And then I'm going to click enter, and then I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this output is complete. All right, so that took about 30 to 45 seconds. And right here, you'll see 5 new emails that we can now use to build a 5-day drip sequence. Now, are these perfect? And should you just copy and paste these and publish a new sequence? I would say no. You want to humanize these to build trust. You want to add images in here, maybe tweak some of these subject lines, the email body, etc. But this just gives you a really good foundation and a starting point where if you have no idea what to do for a drip sequence, you can leverage AI to help you. And also, let's say you have a YouTube channel. One thing that I've done and what you should do is that if you have a YouTube channel, you can filter by, let's say, your most popular videos. So this is my most popular video, my top 10 AI tools for marketing. And so what you can do is you can actually click on a video, you can fetch the transcript here. So I'm going to copy and paste the transcript from this video, copy, and then I'm going to come back into this same chat, and I'm going to say on the left-hand side, actually, I think I had a chat ready for this. So I'm going to say on the left-hand side, I have a prompt ready to go. I'm going to say now repurpose this video transcript into an engaging email, including the most valuable information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say transcript, and then I'm going to come back, fetch that transcript. I'm going to come back to my chat, paste it in, and then I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this is done. All right, so here it generated one email that I could start my email drip sequence with based on my most popular YouTube video. The reason I did that is I know over 100,000 people have seen this, so it's obviously very popular and people want to know more about this topic. So if someone comes into my drip sequence, that's a good correlation to maybe they'd want to know more about that particular topic. And so here is that email that it generated right there. So I hope I'm getting the juices flowing for you guys. If you don't already have an email marketing sequence created, I would highly recommend creating one. Now, the third email marketing automation I want to share with you is the idea of automatically unsubscribing cold subscribers. Now, why would you want to do this? And I'll be honest with you guys, as your list continues to grow, and let's say at some point you have an email list of hundreds of thousands of subscribers, if not millions. One of my clients had over 1 million emails on his database at one point, which can get very costly. And it doesn't matter what CRM that you're using, all of them get super expensive when you have a ton of subscribers. And so what you want to do, in my opinion, is automatically unsubscribe those people in your database that aren't taking any action. And by not taking any action, I mean not opening an email. And so in this example, I have an automation set up where for 100 days in a row, if someone's in my database for 100 days in a row, if they don't open an email, whether that's in a drip sequence or an email newsletter, I want to automatically unsubscribe them. Why would I pay for someone to be on my list who's not taking action? And so that is the visual automation that I've set up here. And in order to create something like this inside Kit, all you would need to do is click Automate, click Visual Automations. You'll see here, this is the only one I have set up right now. And then you would click New Automation. Now, what's cool about Kit is they have templates set up for all sorts of visual automations you can do for various things. But if you want to set up this automation, all you would do is click Start from Scratch. And then right here, you would just click Start Building. And this is where we can start to build our visual automation. Now, one thing I forgot to mention, I realized I'm going to have to actually use a tag in this example. So what I would do before is I would actually create a tag before I would go through and set up this automation. So what I'm going to do is click Is Added to a Tag. I'm going to click Search or Create Tag. And the tag that I created for this automation, I've called it CK Cold Subs. CK for ConvertKit. Now, this doesn't mean that someone is necessarily a cold sub, but you have to have a tag and associate that to subscribers once they come into your database in order to fulfill this automation. Now, I'm automatically assigning a lot of other tags for new subscribers, but one of those is CK Cold Sub. So I'm going to click that tag, click Add Event. And then what I want to do is click this option here to continue the automation. So then I'm going to add a condition, and then I'm going to do email opens. And then I'm going to do 100 days. You can do 90 days. You can do whatever amount of days that you want in this example. I'm going to add the condition. So has opened an email in the past 100 days. Someone who has this tag, which is all subscribers coming into my database. So now I'm going to go down the path of no, and I'm going to click this option here. And then what I want to do for action is click unsubscribe, add action, click yes. And that is it. That is the automation for automatically unsubscribing cold subscribers. Now, what you can do here is, let's say you want to alter the date range. Maybe you want 90 days, maybe you want every year, maybe you want to scrub your list 2 times a year. You can definitely come in here and edit the amount of days for this automation. But then once that is done, all you would do is click toggle on to active, and that automation is ready to go. So that is how, like, a very simple process. I know I'm not getting in the weeds of these visual automations, but that is a super quick example of how you can build an automation to automatically unsubscribe cold subscribers from your database. So those are some very basic email automations, in my opinion, that you guys should be setting up at the very least. It will help improve your open rates, build trust with your audience, and also better segment your list and get rid of cold subscribers automatically without manually worrying about it. And if you've made it this far into the video, I truly appreciate you. If you found value in what I'm saying here with email automations, be sure to give this a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also leave me a comment below. Are you a user of Kit? Are there any other email marketing softwares that you guys use? What types of automations are you using? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments below. And again, if you want to try Kit, I do have a link you can find in the video description below, and you can start a free trial on the creator plan and just give Kit a shot if you want. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.